All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you wouldn't mind just hitting that like button real quick before you forget, I'd appreciate that and it'd help out the channel. Anyways, jumping back in, working my way backwards on the living room circuit, starting at the end of the circuit and working back to the panel. Just going through the plugs and the switches, taking power from each box. Of course, I have the switch legs coiled up in the ceiling, ready for the lights when the ceiling comes in. And then this home run wire going back to the panel to the power source. So that is most of the living room circuit right there. And moving on, I don't know if I finished this dedicated bathroom plug yesterday. Just sticking that in there. And then finished all the makeup in this room. Didn't put the mud rings on yet, but anyways, did something different the second half of the day after lunch, so you'll see that here shortly. So stay tuned, but had to walk around and do a whole bunch of video after work, so I'd appreciate if you hit that like button. Anyways, got the low voltage plug and the panel right there. Got the plug circuit ran here from the bathroom. You'll see the jumper here in a second, but got these plugs, so just the power in and power out on each of the plugs. And that is for, obviously the box needs power to make electricity go there, and then also the second wire goes to the next plug. So from that plug that you just saw, goes to this plug right here, and this doesn't have another plug down the line, so it's just the last wire. So there's only one. And then got the my coworker stuck the water heater wire through the wall for me, so I got that coiled up. And then this is where the power comes from the bathroom home run, so it comes through the wall, hits that plug, jumps back up, hits the switch, and then power goes out to the plugs that you just saw. And then I have two coils of wire right here, one for the smoke detector and one for the light in the room, once the ceiling goes in again. And then the second half of the day went ahead and went back to the beginning of the 6th floor, and we're doing like little punch list items because they're about ready to start sheetrocking. And yes, there will be a drop ceiling on this. So went ahead and started running the coils of wires. Got those a little bit closer to their destinations. They're going to be going down this wall right here, or not the wall, but the little metal piece between the windows. So that's where the wire will be going. They did drill a hole for us, so we just have to cut a hole in the sheetrock and then fish that wire down, and then drill a hole and fish the wire through the metal piece. I think they call them mullions or something like that. So anyways, added this plug back in the kitchen. Had to move this fire or whatever putty pad a little bit to get my connector in, and then put it back together as best as I could. Same with this one, had to move this microwave or hood box over about like 4 or 5 inches, and then had to deal with the putty pad on the back of the spreader bar, which didn't really turn out that well. And then another thing, had to move this water heater wire because of the column right there. They put the water heater on the other side, as you can tell by the water lines. So I just took the home run back out through the home run helpers. Luckily it was on top, I didn't have to pull out all the home runs. Drill a hole through the top plate and then coiled the wire up right there, right next to where it's going. And then this is where I took the switch leg coil that was going to be for a can light, and we mounted a box, and this is where Nick said that he took care of it and he didn't put the switch leg in the box. All right, everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Like I said, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm putting YouTube, as always, before my shower, before I eat, so I'm not trying to guilt trip you into liking, but I really appreciate it. It really does help out the channel. The channel is exploding right now, so I'd like to keep that rising. But anyways, like I said, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you guys back here in the next video. And thank you for the support on watching the house video last night. Haven't put one up in a while, so if you missed it, go check that out. Check the description for anything else like social medias. You can check out my Instagram at Daily Electrician YT, and then also hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. or catch live streams that you missed because I unlist them. Anyways, that'll do it, guys. Thank you so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. And the second half of the day went by really slow just because all the little things that we were taking care of. So it made the day go by really slow, but it was good. So if you're wondering why I titled this video, that's why.